Hello guys, welcome back to of Things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix recess light flickering. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having issues with your recess light and it's flickering here, well in this case there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first is you want to take a look at your dimmer switch. Now if you're using one, many flickering issues come from using a dimmer that isn't actually compatible with your LED bulbs. Now, if everything is worked correctly here, an incompatible dimmer can cause the light to behave erratically. So check the packaging or manuals for both your dimmer and your bulb to make sure they're designed to work together. Now, if they're not a match, the simple fix to this one is to basically just replace your dimmer switch with one that's made for LED lighting. Next is you want to maybe changing or checking your wiring. Now in this case, there might be some wiring issue here, so before doing anything, make sure to turn off the power from the circuit breaker to stay safe here. Now remove the light and inspect wires and look for those loose or poorly connected cables. Now a wire that's slightly out of place or not fully tightened can cause flickering. Now reconnect everything securely and ensure all connections are snug. And finally, you may want to check the wattage of the light bulb. Now, in this case, a recess fixture have a maximum wattage limit. Now, if your bulb exceeds that, it can cause the fixture to overheat. Now, when that actually happens, a built-in safety feature called a thermal protection switch kicks in, which can cause the light to flicker and, in this case, shut off temporarily. Now to fix this, simply remove the bulb and check the labeling inside the fixture for maximum wattage. Now if your bulb is too strong, swap it out for one that isn't within the recommended limit, and in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.